TSP to Gold IRA Rollovers for first-time investors. For federal employees, the Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, has long been a cornerstone of retirement planning. But as retirement nears, many investors look to diversify beyond stocks and bonds. One option growing in popularity is TSP to Gold IRA Rollovers for first-time investors, offering protection through precious metals like gold. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why consider a TSP to Gold IRA rollover? 1. Protection against inflation. Gold historically rises when the dollar weakens, making it a hedge against inflation and loss of purchasing power. 2. Diversification. TSP accounts focus on traditional assets. A Gold IRA introduces precious metals, balancing a portfolio tied to market swings. 3. Wealth preservation. During economic or geopolitical uncertainty, gold often retains or grows in value, helping safeguard retirement funds. 4. Tax advantages. Like traditional IRAs, Gold IRAs offer tax-deferred growth, allowing savings to compound before withdrawals. How the rollover works. Choose a custodian. Work with a Gold IRA custodian who manages the account and IRS compliance. Open a self-directed IRA. This allows direct investment in gold and other approved metals. Start the rollover. A direct rollover avoids taxes and penalties while moving funds from TSP. Select gold investments. Options include IRS-approved coins and bullion. Secure storage. Metals must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. Key considerations. Fees. Gold IRAs include account, storage, and maintenance costs. Long-term investment. Gold protects value but grows slower than stocks. Liquidity. Selling gold may take longer than cashing out TSP funds. IRS rules. Only certain coins and bullion qualify. For those exploring retirement diversification, TSP to Gold IRA rollovers for first-time investors offer stability, inflation protection, and tax benefits. By selecting the right custodian and understanding the process, you can strengthen your retirement with a secure and tangible asset. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.